Welcome to Lost Files, where I put together old clips and late uploads for you to view and enjoy. Sit back and relax to unveil the core memories that I've once lost, but have retrieved it because I cannot let go of things. Enjoy!
This your soup?
Hey, what's up? It's Lisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, yes, this video is all about my 18th birthday. Now, this was filmed obviously on the month of my birthday, and right now as I'm editing it is November 30, Saturday, and it's about to be December tomorrow. I know it's a little late, not a little, it's late by a lot. But the clips were filmed between October 1 to October 3rd. And so yeah, this video is like all of the clips combined that I got those days. So yeah, as you can see naman from the thumbnail and the title itself, I celebrated my birthday in the Baylis, Cavite, which is just beside our school, which is convenient. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We didn't have any grand celebration for it, but we did book a hotel. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Love you.
Smoking area pala to. Ayan mo, cigarettes. Sige, kainin mo. Hamoy gaman ah!
Hi guys, get ready with me for breakfast. It seems bizarre saying that, but I am getting ready for breakfast and today. So I'm applying makeup right now. I know we checked in the hotel, but I'm not skipping classes. Buti na lang may bayleaf. Kasi if sa iba kaming hotel na check-in, edi sana hindi na ako papasok siguro. But nakakans is more important than birthdays, so happy birthday. I look crazy. I guess I'll see you na lang when I finish my makeup. Kasi dahil matagal ako.
Kuha na, ayan yung plate oh. ba yan? Hi, Lyceum. Overall breakfast experience, siguro 8 kasi masarap. Pero yung iba kasi meh. But I didn't expect the croissants to be that bad though. But the taste, the texture. Ha, sa Baylip na nga hindi pa nakakapunta. Sa Baylip na nga ako, be. Hinahabol ko pa rin yung last na call time. Galing! Ang pasarap ng kain. Sorry. Ang cute pala dito sa LPU pag umagang-umaga. Kasi wala pa yung mga nakakaurat. Charat! Yung ID ko, be. Dali! Chin up, chin up, chin up. Yan. Natutumba pa. Huwag kasi. Yung instructor naman. Sampulan mo kasi, Baker. Yeah. Oh, legit nga. Go. I-demo mo, i-demo. Demo. Demo mo. Wala pa nga eh. Di pa nga. True. Eh, dito nga kasi. Demo mo nga muna. I-demo mo nga. I-demo mo lang. Paano niya malalaman? Paano niya gagawin? Hey! Yes! Ganon. Go. Ayusin mo. Ano? Oh my God. Uy, saan kayo pupunta? Grabe ang iyong suporte. Mukbang tayo, mukbang. Kamo kanina yung kaklase ko, pinagsisigawan niya doon sa building namin na birthday ko bukas.
Grabe naman ito, magmukbang.
Mukbang rin pala yung sisyon niyo. Why, ha? Second, just wait. Parang may hawak siya kanina pizza. Yung iklit, naubos niya yun. Ubus niya na yun. Oo. Galing din siya. Yung manok inglit daw. Hindi ko ka na da.
Hindi pa.
Wala pwede.
Ang hina ng AC.
Hi guys! Lagas na yung makeup ko. Ganda-ganda ako kanina eh. So, I'm gonna go upstairs to change into my clothes. Yana! Nasaan yung rash guard? Asan yung rash guard? Rash guard! Sa bag mo? Para akong itlog. No, there's no more chips. Hi guys! Lamig na. Kanina pa ako wala sa water. Wait, I'm gonna go back. Aftermath. Nakaligo, pero hindi naka-review. Hi guys! So y'all might be wondering bakit kami nandito sa Bayleaf. Well, as you can see naman from the title, I'm turning 18. I'm 18 by the time the video is uploaded. So this, oh my god, my earrings are missing! Nawala yung earrings ko. Anyways, just buy a new one na lang. Pero, so, yeah. My dad booked us a 2 days and 2 nights in this hotel. Actually, 3 days and 2 nights. Pero, we are about to check out tomorrow by 12 p.m. like 12 noon. So, yeah. And, frankly, when my dad said, I mean, hindi naman niya sinabi. Like, sinend nila yung link na nakabook na kami dito. Which is, to me, is such a shock because I have school. Buti na lang kamo, itong Bayleaf is, like, tabi lang talaga ng school ko. So, and, wala talagang masabi sa Bayleaf. Maganda siya. Promise. Like, maganda siya talaga. Hindi lang siya budget-friendly, say, for my age. Bro, kasi if ako yung I mean, I can definitely afford it naman with my savings. Pero kasi my savings, it's not for some kind of this. It's not some kind of money for this. So today is Wednesday, October 3. Tomorrow I have exam for two subjects, understanding the self and PE. Ngayon, so na-update lang. Update lang. Pinag-ready ko silang umalis bukas because I think mas maaga silang, kasi I still have class tomorrow, so dito muna mag-i-stay before my class and then check out na lang ako pag punta ko ng Lyceum.
This is your soup?
Yeah.
Mukbang.
This is the card.
Asan yung plato natin?
Daddy's money. Oh, may Bible dito, di mo binabasa. Dahil sabi siya. In the beginning. Na-convert na ba siya? Di ba dati naging Catholic ka, naging Methodist ka, tapos ngayon Jehovah's Witness ka na?
Naging Methodist? Ano?
Oo, naging Methodist dyan. Yung sa tabi ng bahay sa Lukban, Methodist yun.
Ilocano yung Grab driver. Naiintindihan ko yung ano.
Ang sabi niya.
May kausap siya eh.
Ay, may sisig. Ay, ganyan pala kadami. Akala ko unti lang.
Ay, hindi. Charot.
Grabe naman yung pagkasil ng mga inasal.
Seal.
Oy! Panis. Ay, hindi na ako magpe-plate kasi sisig lang naman ko. Ayusin mo nga yan o baka ano. Huwag ka naman dyan sa bed ko, ah! Wow! Sinigang mix. Yung sisig na walang kalamansi. Years na lang magdadalawa na kakahalin sa mga. Kaya silang croissants, yun pa naman paborito mo. Pandesal sila today. Tapos toast. Alam mo yung baguette? Dapat pala be, nandito ka be. Yan, be. Diyan. Tapsilog. Ayoko nung Fruit Loops, iba yung kulay. Wait lang be, dito muna. Gusto ko po dito. Ano tata? Paano kaya na ano? Ina-analyze. Alam hindi ko na talaga gagalawin, pe. Terno pa siya nung may melody ko. Ayaw nyo?